Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the GPI GPI AI. Okay, so this AI fully made for the education purpose. Okay, whether you are a mathematics student or physics student or engineering student, you gain a lot of knowledge from this AI. This AI work on the completely education purpose. Okay, you can ask any doubts regarding the education. If you want to doubt regarding the maths, you will be able to ask physics, anything else. You can see here solver, chemistry. These are the problem solver. Okay, so uh, now here how to get this tool? You go to the Google search, click the first link, it come to here. Now here, if you click here, it asks you Gmail account. Okay, you will be able to select your appropriate Gmail ID and you will be able to log in via your Gmail. Okay, my Gmail ID is I have login via my Gmail ID. This is my If I log in via my Gmail, this is a dashboard you will be able to see. Visual chat, everything's there. The chat visuals here. If you're on any diagram, you will be able to the diagrams also. You can attach any diagram here. So there are illustration. There are a lot of modules they are given here. The diagram here, diagram, illustration also they are. Any kind of illustration you will be able to any reference image. Okay, you will be able to put the illustration and all. So now here, I'm IT student. So I want to ask from the doubt regarding uh, Python. So I am going to act as a Python Python program. Or I add I need to add two numbers. I click on it. That's it. Because I'm not a mathematics student. I'm a IT student. That's why I'm asking the doubt of IT. So here a flat here is that casting also there. Input, enter number, second number, it is assigned here, second number assigned here. Here the sum will be it both a plus b, it is assigned to sum, it has been written. Okay, this how we can get the solution. Okay, this is simple doubt I am asking for programming doubt. You can ask any kind of a doubts. Okay, yeah, that uh, 2 or 3 months we are not using this tool for free. We have paid some money. So nowadays we don't have to pay money. It is completely free. They are given as a free features as well. Like uh, ChatGPT, Gemini, they are given as a free features. The same thing they provide GPA as well. They are given as a free. Okay, you will be able to use as a free one at the moment. Okay, you will be able to try. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.